Wow, check these out. Finally got the new Brembo brakes in. Things are gonna look sweet on my Infiniti. It's a really cool box. Just look at that detail right there. Just really good looking box. So let's check these out, see how they look. Wow, look at that. Oh wow. It's a lot of instructions here or something. Damn, these things are wrapped up nicely. Look at this. Dang. I like that detail. Guys really went the extra mile, you know? That just goes to show that Brembo quality. See how they look. Oh wow, damn. Damn, look at that. It's beautiful. Just, wow. These are beautiful brake pads. Just check out this detail, that nice paint job. That nice carbon look. Wow. Yeah, these were definitely the right pads to go with. Complement my car's Brembo system as well. Just this box, these pads are heavy. If I can describe how heavy they are, it's like, should have a scale here, but these are heavier than usual. I'd say it's about 50% heavier than what these brake pads normally are. So they must be really good, you know. Maybe they'll last a while. Can't wait to try these out. I'll make another video for the install. Keep you guys updated, let you know how they do. And we'll see if these things are worth it. In my opinion so far, I think they're worth it. Especially for the price. I paid was about $75 for these. It's front and rear. I think it's a pretty great deal. It's basically the price of the best brake pads at a parts store. But these here, I can already tell, these are a lot better.